Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Life is very complex. It makes you prone to all types of accidents, ill-fated, incurable diseases, sorrows and negativity. Sickness, old age and death are the natural processes of all creations. You cannot avoid sickness, but you can change your attitude to sickness by chanting the Vedic mantras. Mantra is a sacred utterance of word, sound, or short phrase which has psychological and spiritual powers. Best time is early morning or late evening. You can choose any time as per your convenience.
As per Big Bang theory, Om is the cosmic sound which originated the creation of universe. The single word Om produces the sound and vibration which allows you to feel one with the nature. The vibrations of the Shiva mantras and Hanuman Chalisa chanting repeatedly awaken the spiritual life force and stimulate the chakras. In short, we can say that these mantras are the living force of God. Chanting mantras sends out positive vibrations. It also creates positive energy and strengthens the mind.
Shiv mantras and Hanuman Chalisa are really powerful and can cure any kind of disease. It's a science of vibration and energy, but it needs to come from your heart. By generating energy from you inside, you can change the molecular structure of water in your body. Our body is actually over 79% of water. For example, Krishna did not come to help Draupadi until she surrendered herself to him. When she understood that no one can help her, she totally forgot about what was happening to her and she just closed her eyes and started chanting his name, and that's where the magic happened. So, you have to surrender completely. Mahamrityunjay mantra is a mantra which takes away a fear of death from you and prepares you for deeper meditation, where you can change the molecular structure of water within you. Mahamrityunjay mantra rejuvenates, bestows health, wealth, long life, peace, prosperity, and contentment. The healing and nourishing forces enter the human body through foods, medicines, supportive emotions, and encouraging thoughts. The Mahamrityunjay mantra attracts these forces and creates an inner environment to enhance their effectiveness. In this mantra, we praise Triambakam, that is, the god who has 3 eyes, to give us a death which is natural, like a big fruit gets detached with its plant naturally when its timing comes, not unnaturally with the disease. So, when you chant this mantra and go deeper into it, your body starts surrendering to nature. Hanuman Chalisa is an invocation to Lord Hanuman and known as an ocean of divine blessings. It has similar effect as Mahamrityunjay mantra. Hanuman, an incarnation of Lord Shiva. Hanuman Chalisa is a simple but very effective remedy against all ills, provided it is chanted with utmost faith and mental purity. All these mantras are to reset your molecular structure.
According to some scientific research, any mantras alone will never help you. Mantras can most certainly help you have a more positive attitude towards your disease, which in turn can help your immune system respond better to treatment. It is a medical fact that patients who are in a sound mental health have higher chances of recovery. Our body has tremendous healing capacity. It needs to be unlocked. Practice of Ashtanga Yoga and mantras can help you achieve that in 1 year or so, but you will need an experienced guru to guide you.
Most of the Vedic mantras should be chanted as per the accent rules. You should link your heart with your voice and thoughts so that the frequencies generated while chanting will create a pure divine atmosphere, giving you the desired results. All the Vedic mantras should be recited either 108 times, 1008 times or 1,25,000 times. That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.